So now the last part of the verse, Chaturtham Manyate, means it is called the fourth by people who have not reached this level of Ajatavada understanding. Manyate, manna, belief. Yeah? It is not really the fourth. There is no fourth. There is only one. There is just the Brahman. It is called fourth by those people who think waking state is first, then is the dream state second, then is the deep sleep state, which is the third, and then they call Turiya the fourth. They are calling this the fourth because they are referring to the first three as three separate states. So Chaturtham Manyate means, it is the naive people who are calling it the fourth. Yeah. There is no fourth. Sa Atma, there is only one, that is Brahman. Yeah, he's already told you in verse number 2, I am Atma Brahma. So he's saying it is only Atma, there is only Brahman, Sa Atma, Sa Vigyeya. That has to be realized. Not intellectually known, not memorized, not heard by 10, 20, 30, 40 Advaitin teachers. No point of reading it in 100 books. It needs to be realized. Sa Vigyeya. It needs to be realized, seen, recognized. Very clear? And it's not hard. It's not hard at all. It is your conditioning that is coming in the way. The conditioning starts with the first error, I am the body mind. Get rid of the error, take the stand of the awareness. Now ask yourself question number 1. Don't you remember what happened in the waking state this morning before you started this session? Yes, I remember what happened at home. That means you were there as the waking awareness. Don't you remember what happened in your dream last night? At least a few glimpses here and there. Yeah, I remember a few glimpses, very blurry glimpses. Who's saying it is blurry? That means you were there as the dreaming awareness. Did you sleep peacefully last night? Yes. What was there in the deep sleep state? Nothing. Who knows there was nothing? That means you were there in the deep sleep state as the deep sleep awareness. There. You were there throughout. Who is this I that is providing the testimony of the waking, the dreaming and deep sleep state? I was there. Follow that I. Right now, follow the I. Do you notice it disappear? Did you notice Turiya disappear into Brahman? That is it. It is so simple to get there. You don't have to practice for 10,000 lifetimes. You don't have to keep dancing and singing holy songs. You don't have to keep doing charity and service. You don't have to keep praying to God. No. Right here, right now, Mandukya says, you are enlightened. You only have to see it.